Thank you for coming in and doing this video for us. Tell us just a little bit about what kind of case you had.
We were involved in a automobile accident.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and I don't want to hear the exact name of the company, but what was it? Is it a commercial car wreck or just a regular car wreck?
No, sir, it was definitely a commercial, big time company.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And tell us how the wreck happened. It was a T-bone collision, a side swipe, a rear end.
From my memory, is that a word?
Yeah, man, you're good. It's a word.
Okay. From my perspective, we were getting ready to go around. The driver had on a right signal, so that gave us the okay to go around as she was slowing down, and she just swung left, and it caused us to T-bone her.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I got you. And tell us a little bit about you were with somebody else, but tell us about your injuries.
I had a laceration, to my face, and I had back pain.
Okay, I got you. Were you able to get good medical treatment for those things?
Yes, sir. My scar is healing up very well in my face. Everything is really well.
Yeah. So tell us, you obviously worked with our firm. Who at our firm did you work with mostly?
Brittany.
And how was that?
Brittany was phenomenal. She was straight to the point. Answered the phone. Never had to wait. She made it comfortable enough for me to understand everything. Like even with the big words and the long questions, she broke it down very well for my level.
Yeah. Well, I know she liked working with you also, so thank you for being great clients. Tell me, don't give me the exact number, but were you pleased with eventual settlement in your truck case?
My settlement numbers were absolutely phenomenal. I didn't expect that, but it was great. It's a great number.
Okay. Well, cool, man. Thanks for coming in and doing the video. We appreciate you.
No problem. Thanks for having us.
All right.